Hey guys, it's me, Kawaii Crafty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY school planner. It's really simple and easy to make. It's just very time consuming for the drawing out and writing out these things. It took me probably 6 hours, but after that everything was really simple and fast. So if you guys have the time, consider trying to make this. And yeah, so if you guys are new to my channel, I'm Kawaii Crafty. I make lots of craft videos like these as well as some art ones. So if you are interested in those things, consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's continue with the video. So what you will need is some printer paper. I'm using 15 pages, some scissors and an X-Acto knife. Any markers and pens you want to use to decorate your planner, a pencil and eraser to mark spots and things. You're going to need 2 rulers, a black fine liner pen, a stapler, some cardstock paper. I'm using the Martha Stewart's one, and some washi tape. I ended up not using it today. And you're going to need a list of what you're going to be writing on each page, which I made previously. First, you're going to be taking your printer paper and you're going to just take one and push the rest aside for now. And you're going to take the page and fold it in half. Then you're going to crease the paper, and if you want you can take a ruler and you're just going to press down so the page is much more flattened, and you're going to do it with the rest of the papers and it should look like this. So once you finish doing that, you're going to start marking out what you want on each page using your ruler, pencil, and eraser. I ended up going off camera to do so, and I didn't end up finishing most of it, so yeah, because I kind of got lazy. Hee. Once you finish planning out and marking in pencil, I didn't finish as you see in the previous pages, but you're going to take your fine liner and all your markers that you're using and you're going to start outlining everything. So I finished using the fine liner and markers. Okay, oh there we go, the lighting's okay. And here is a quick flip through. Everything is basically the same, just a calendar and a weekly overview. Now I'm going to erase the pencil marks and it should look something like this. So once you do that, you're going to start by taking your cardstock and you're going to be making the cover of this planner. So I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to rip out this pastel pink page as my cover. And now I'm going to set the paper pad aside, and now I'm going to take this, and since my paper is 8.5 by 11 inches, I'm going to increase the paper size of the cover by 1/2 inch, and now I'm going to cut out what I marked. And once you finish doing that, you're going to fold the paper in half. Once you finish creasing the page, you're going to get the rest of the journal pages and you're going to just put them where you want them to be. Just keep moving them around, see what you like, and once you get it to what you want it to be, you're going to flatten the pages and you're going to get a binder clip. I didn't include this in the materials list, by the way. And you're going to clip the pages together so that it doesn't move from when you're going to staple it. And once you're done, you're going to get your stapler, staple the pages together, kind of creased the back pages of the planner, but that's okay. And now I'm going to take the cover and push it backwards, so in the opposite direction of what you want it to be. And now I'm going to get my ruler and I'm going to get the X-Acto knife, and now I'm going to just cut off the excess paper on the sides, and you're just going to keep sliding the X-Acto knife across the pages until all the excess paper has been cut off. Once you finish cutting the excess paper off, it's gonna look sort of like this. The bottom part kind of didn't really work as the paper got stuck there, but yeah. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. And yeah, so if you made it this far into the video, comment the book emoji, I think. And yeah, so if you guys did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any comments, feedback, or suggestions, make sure to do so in the comment section down below. And consider subscribing if you are new, as I have said in the beginning of this video. And I hope to see you guys in my future videos. And yeah, so don't forget to be kind and be kawaii.
Hi.